Hey, welcome back. If you saw the last video, I was showing you my S10 frame swapped 49 Chevy truck. It's powered by a Gen 2 LT1. Today I'm going to be finishing up the front suspension. I'm going to be hooking up the steering linkage. And by the end of this video, this thing's going to be a roller. Okay, first off, I'm going to be using my old tie rods to set up my new tie rods before installing them. That way my alignment's not going to be too far off. All right, I got my new tie rod here. You can see the old one, it wasn't absolutely terrible, but it's starting to crack there. And that one as well. So I'm using the old one as a reference so I can get my alignment close enough. I was setting the new one out here to compare to the length of the old setup here. Went to screw this in and noticed it wasn't screwing in. This screwed in fine, but all right. Apparently, I just don't know what the hell I'm talking about because I thought this wouldn't screw into this. So I was gonna use this one in replace of that. And then when I was starting to take this off, I realized it's reverse thread. So then I realized that this is reverse thread, and that's probably why it wasn't screwing in. And sure enough, that's what was going on. So I'm an idiot. All right, so I'm getting ready to paint the new sway bar. You can see in comparison to the old one, like it's just a lot thicker. It looks great red, but obviously with the truck being orange, I figured why not just go ahead and paint it orange to match. So I'm gonna scuff this up. I'm just gonna use this red Scotch pad here, scuff this up a little bit, throw some orange on it. I'm not gonna overthink it too much here. All right, I'm gonna scuff it up a little bit and I'll spray it with some orange. All right, well, let me get this shaken up and we'll get it sprayed. All right, getting ready to lay down the first coat here. I'm gonna use this VHT caliper paint. I know they make like roll bar and chassis paint, but I don't have any, and I do have caliper paint, and it is orange, so I think it'll work just fine. Just about finished up this side. I may do one more coat over this, but looking pretty good. Definitely good enough. Definitely truck enough. I'm gonna lay down one more coat on this, let it dry, and then I'll flip it over to the other side. Damn. There it goes, finally. I don't know if it's quite there yet. All right, we'll try it now. See if we get anywhere. This bitch. There it is. All right. It's crazy to me, you buy new control arms, they don't come with new hardware, but whatever. Oh my God, dude, come on. All right, quick update. Passenger side's coming together nicely. Got the spindle on, got the spring in, tie rod's hooked up. Next step, we gotta get the wheels on, see if this thing will roll. It's a roller. All right, man, that's gonna wrap today's video up. The truck is officially back on the ground, but I still have a lot more to do to it. So if you like this video and you wanna see what I'm gonna do to this next, subscribe to the channel and I will see you next Saturday.